Today we are going to start chapter trigonometry. It is one of the most important chapter of maths of class 10, trigonometry. It carry 18 marks. Trigonometry is derived from Greek words. Tri means three, gon means side, metron means measurement. So meaning of the word trigonometry, it means measuring three sides of a figure. Do you know a figure having three sides is called triangle? Trigonometry is the study of relationship between the sides and angles of a triangle. Early astronomers they used it to find out the distance of the stars and planet from the earth. Most of the technology advanced method used in engineering and physical science are based on trigonometrical concepts. Before going to start trigonometry, we will study about Pythagoras formula. So you know what is Pythagoras formula? Pythagoras formula is always based on right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. This inclined side is actually called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the longest side of the right angle triangle. This is the base side, and this vertical line, this is actually called perpendicular. So in a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of square of other two sides. Hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. If we want to make the formula of perpendicular square, then what we will do, this hypotenuse square, this will be as it is on left hand side. From right, perpendicular square will shift from right to left, it will become minus equals to base square. This is the formula of base square. Similarly, if we have to make the formula of perpendicular square, then we will shift base square from right to left, it will become minus here, and this will be the formula of perpendicular square. There are 6 trigonometric ratios. Trigonometry always works on right angle triangle. This longest side is actually hypotenuse. This is the base, and this is perpendicular. This is 90 degree, and these two are acute angle. This is theta, and this is also theta. Both the thetas, they are always on acute angle. First one is sine theta. Second is cosine theta. Third is tangent. Fourth is cotangent. Fifth is secant. And sixth is cosecant. There are 6 trigonometric ratios. All the 6 trigonometric ratios having its own formula. Sin theta. The formula of sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Formula of cosine theta is base upon hypotenuse. Formula of tangent theta is perpendicular upon base. Formula of cotangent theta is base upon perpendicular. Formula of secant theta is hypotenuse upon base, and formula of cosecant theta is hypotenuse upon These are the full form of sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. Normally we use this sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. This is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, this is base upon hypotenuse, this is perpendicular upon base. Cot theta is base upon perpendicular and sec theta is hypotenuse upon base and cosec theta is hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Sin theta is reciprocal of cosec theta. Similarly, cosec theta is also reciprocal of sin theta. Cos theta is just reciprocal of sec theta. Same way, cos theta is also reciprocal of sec theta is also reciprocal of cos theta. Tan theta is just reciprocal of cot theta. Similarly, cot theta is also reciprocal of tan theta. So there is one more formula of all the six. Sin theta is, it is just reciprocal of cosec. So sin theta equals to 1 upon cosec theta. This is one more formula of sin theta. Cos theta, this is the reciprocal of sec theta. So again one more formula of cos, 1 upon sec. Similarly tan theta, it is the reciprocal of cot. Cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. So the formula will be cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Formula of sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. Cosec theta, this is the reciprocal of sin theta. So cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta. Out of these six, tan theta and cot theta, they both are having one more formula. Tan theta equals to perpendicular upon base and one more formula is sin theta upon cos theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan, so it will be cos theta upon sin theta. There is one very easy trick to learn all these formula. Like some people have curly black hair through proper brushing. Some for sine, people for perpendicular, have for hypotenuse, curly for cos, base, through for tan theta, so this is one trick to learn all these three formulas, sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. There is one more things. There is one more funny way to learn all these three things. Pandit Badri Prasad हर हर बोले. So P upon H, this is sin theta. B upon H, this is cos theta. And P upon B, this is tan theta. So these are the six trigonometric ratios and these are the different formulas. Now there are some important trigonometric identities. Some important trigonometric identities. First one is sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. If we want to make the formula of sin square theta, then this plus 1 will be on right side. This plus cos square theta will shift from left to right. It will become minus. So the formula of sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Similarly, if we want to make the formula of cos square theta, this cos square theta will be on left hand side. This one will be on right hand side. This plus sin square theta, it will shift from left to right. It will become minus. So cos square theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Now sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. If we want to make the formula of sec square theta equals to 1. This minus tan square theta, it will shift from left to right. So it will become plus. So sec square theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta. If we want to make the formula of tan square theta, then this sec square theta will be as it is on left hand side. This plus 1, it will shift from right to left. It will become minus. So this will be minus 1. And this minus tan square theta, it will shift from left to right. It will become plus tan square theta. So this is the formula of tan square theta. Sec square theta minus 1 equals to tan square theta. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. This is another identity. The formula of cos square theta will be, this plus 1 will be on right side. This minus cot square theta, it will shift from left to right. It will become plus cot square theta. Now we want to make the formula of cot square theta. This cos square theta will be on left hand side. This plus 1 will shift from right to left. It will become minus 1. And this minus cot square theta, it will shift from left to right. It will become plus cot square theta. So these are total 9 trigonometric identities which are very important one. And one more important thing, always remember, plus it will shift from left to right. It will become minus. Minus, it will shift from left to right. It will become plus. Similarly, on right, minus will shift from right to left. It will become plus. Plus, it will shift from right to left. It will become minus.